Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow greens at home. Begin by selecting a sunny spot or a grow light, then pick containers with drainage. Use a loose, well-draining potting mix and sow seeds at the depth indicated on the packet. Keep soil evenly moist but not waterlogged and thin seedlings to prevent crowding. Rotate containers weekly for even growth and harvest outer leaves regularly to encourage production. Choose seeds suited for quick harvest like baby kale, arugula, and leaf lettuce. Fill containers with a sterile potting mix and press seeds gently into the surface at the recommended depth. Water lightly using a mister or gentle pour to avoid displacing seeds. Maintain a consistent temperature for steady germination and label containers with variety and sow date. Once true leaves appear, thin to proper spacing to reduce disease and boost yield. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like for more home gardening tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading seed packets and garden ebooks simple, whether you are on the balcony or potting bench, and it's easy on the eyes during late-night planning. I've found it handy for storing quick reference guides and recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Light is crucial. Aim for 10 to 14 hours daily using natural sun or a grow light on a timer. Ensure good airflow to prevent mildew and avoid overhead watering in cool conditions. Fertilize with a balanced, diluted solution every 2 to 3 weeks and monitor for pests like aphids and slugs. Harvest by snipping outer leaves or cutting whole plants above the crown to encourage fresh regrowth and multiple harvests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.